Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your overall energies, Taurus. Five of Cups reversed. Death reversed. Ten of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Taurus, with these cards, for few of you all, you are seeing the path to reach your goals. Something is coming up, something new, but you are not yet decided which way to work, what to do to reach your success. So you are still in a state of confusion about two things. Something has come up your way and you have not yet decided what to do. Maybe for some of you all, you are getting some important news or message regarding something you were expecting, and maybe for few of you all, you feel you are in great stress or troubles. Maybe that may be a totally out of your imagination. You would feel that way, but in truth your situation is not that, guys. Something new is coming up, some new opportunity is coming your way, and for few of you all, you would have felt some kind of loss in certain things. You would have felt that things are not going your way. You have lost something, but today something. So Taurus, with these cards, some new beginning is coming your way, guys, and maybe for some of you all, you would have felt like you have lost something, but today you are feeling some some kind of collaborations or gains. Some news, something important is coming. Maybe you would have felt that you lost something. You may be finding that object, or you would have missed some people from your life, some long lost friend or relative. You wouldn't have seen them for a really long time. They may be coming back to you, guys, and you may be really happy. You have everything in your life. You may be well settled in your work. Whatever you want to have, you are having it, and you feel that contentment in your heart for your family regarding how things are going with your family and with this person. You may be having a house, car, whatever material possessions you want to have, and you are feeling immensely satisfied, guys, by how things are going. But maybe for few of you all, because of this decision you want to take in your life regarding certain things, certain new beginnings that are coming your way, you may feel some kind of conflicts, and you may feel tired to think and decide for yourself. So that may also be the energy here. So some new fortune or some new beginning of something, some work related things, or in your family, something related to your personal life regarding this relationship is beginning today, guys, Taurus. So that is the energy here, and you may be feeling certain kinds of tiredness because of these decisions you want to think and make for yourself, and you are for few of you all, you are feeling very lazy, or inert, you just want to lay there, just think within yourself, you do not want to do anything, you are not in a, what to say, in active mode, you just want to be very inactive. So that may also be the energy here, Taurus. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys. What is the energy here with the other set of cards? Bear, dog, choices, okay, guys. So Taurus, with these cards, just like I said, you have few choices. So you are not yet clear about it today, not yet. You have few choices before you. This may be in your work or in your relationship, guys. Someone may be counseling you regarding these choices or decisions you are having in your life. Maybe someone from your family, your friend, someone older than you who has great concern for you. They may be trying to counsel you, to give you guidance regarding these decisions, guys. So that may be the energy here. Maybe this person may also be counseling you with this in this relationship, guys. So this person is definitely devoted to you. They are very loyal to you, trustworthy, the person you are with, guys. So that may also be the energy here. They want to be there with you always. So they want to spend time with you and they love you. You can trust them, and they feel they can trust you, and they want to rely on you, guys. That is also the energy here. So this person really trusts you and they want to rely on you. They want to spend their life with you. So that may be the reason for your some choices that you are making today. Maybe that may be concerning this relationship or something regarding your work. So and you share a very special bond with this person, guys, and you feel it is a very positive working relationship. You are very friendly with this person and they are very friendly. Mutual friendship, loyalty and trust is there in this relationship, and companionship. You are having a great compatibility in this relationship. So that is the energy with these cards, Taurus, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.